How to buy ELON for EFD. So this token came under the symbol of ELON 4 or number 4 AfD. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral links down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral links or codes. Simply use the codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them on the description. Now as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to find it on the explainer. So this is our token here. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now for that, open your Phantom wallet. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy, of course. To be able to buy this token, this is how much you will be received. So after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy ELON for AfD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.